How to mute Facebook notifications. So first is to launch the Facebook application. Then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the top right corner. Scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, and go to Settings. Scroll down and under Preferences, you will find this option Notifications. Select this option. And here you will find all of the notifications that you can receive from Facebook. So if you wish to not receive any notifications for birthdays, all you have to do is tap that option and then tap the toggle button beside Allow Notifications on Facebook. So to confirm this, just tap Turn Off. So now you won't be receiving any notifications about your friends' birthdays. So if you have more notifications that you want to disable, just follow the same steps. And so that is how you mute Facebook notifications. Thank you and have a great day.